Hi, welcome to Carter and Haynes. This is our very nice BMW 420i Coupe on a 2021 71 plate, finished in this stunning pearlescent white. As you can see, this car's got a cracking spec, and we've actually added a Maxton kit to the car as well to give it to enhance its exterior features, as you can see, which consists of the front splitter. These are the new design Maxton ones, so they're the latest ones, with the side skirts. I'll go around the back, has a rear diffuser. This car has the M Sport brakes, M Sport Pro Pack, has the Tech Pack, so it has the head-up display. It also has Harman Kardon. It's literally got everything you want on it. Nice wheels, as you can see. There we go, the side skirts with the Maxton design badges. The rear spoiler, rear diffuser, really nice. There you go, Maxton design. These are the latest ones they do with the new logos. Cracking thing. Privacy glass. Obviously, full specification of the vehicle is on the website, as always, on the advert, and also the service history, so please do check that out. There's Harman Kardon. Lovely looking car, really is looks the part. We do offer finance. We take part exchanges. If you go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk, or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.